How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll quickly show you on how you can add text in the Eleego slicer. Of course, the first thing that you want to do is to add your shape or your model onto Eleego slicer. And from here, you then want to navigate through the model that you want to add text into. In my case, it's going to be this one. And then we are going to use this text function or the embossed function. If you want to press the keyboard shortcut, just press T, and then it will take you to this page. Now, of course, the first thing that you want to do is to start typing what you want to present on your model. So, of course, let's do something like guide to everything. And then we have some additional options right here to choose. Basically, this is a cylinder shape. And then if we click away, it will then lie flat right here. If you're using something like this circle shape, you then want to make sure that the used surface is enabled. Now with this one, it will make sure that it wraps around the surface right here. So I'm also going to reduce the size of my text. Of course, you can edit this out the way you want to if you want to do that, and some additional setting. You can change the color by navigating through the objects. And before you do this, you also want to make sure that you already have some other filament colors. So in my case, I have red. If you want to add one, just click on the plus icon right here. Now, right click on your text, click on change filament, and then you want to select the color filament that you want to apply to your text. And basically from there, you're good to go, as you can see right here. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.